Yeah, hello YouTube. It's me, Carlos again. We're here at the mall playing the Snow Machine. The Angry Bird one. And yeah, the shout out goes to Kiersten McGuire. Check out her channel. Pretty cool. Okay. Kiersten, I hope you're watching this because I gave you the shout out. Okay. Okay. I really want the black bird. Okay, we're still having another try. Another try. Another try. Oh, that looks cute. Oh my God, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I'll go $1 more. I hate you. I hate you. I'll go $1 more. Cause I really want that blackbird. I really want that blackbird. There's a nice one there, but it might hit the side. So, yeah, I'm pretty worried about that one, but I'm not going for it. Okay. That looks pretty good. What the heck? Oh my God. You pissed me off. Okay, okay. Well, let's try YouTube. Oh my God, I'm so tense. Oh my God. Oh my God, you choke. And part 2 is gonna be part 2, I guess. I don't know where it's gonna be. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's where the President Spencer. So yeah.